This is the amateur category. We started with the slalom this morning, 2 rounds of slalom. Now we've finished that and we're going to go into motocross next. So motocross is where 3-4 kayakers at once go down the ramp and it's just a race to the finishing line. So yeah. No, not yet. One more round.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it.
To show my students, they will be impressed by talking to a English speaker or other country national people. It's very nice. So now we have a big projector and we will show that like this guest or like that. Right.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's
Very
very
good,
nice.
very good.
Yeah. So my next question is not next question, and are you staying here in India or?
Now we are staying here in Kodoncherry, and Manik lives in Bangalore. I used to live in Chennai. I lived 8 years.
8 years in Chennai.
Yes.
Ah.
And actually, my wife is from Tamil Nadu only.
Ah.
She's Tamil.
Tamil. Ah.
Yes.
Do you know Tamil?
Konjam theriyum.
Kanjang Do you know Malayalam? Malayalam is same as like.
Yes, but not much. Not much.
Yes.
But,
Yeah.
but I love chamandi.
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 Kappa and chamandi is my favorite.
That's a great. Yeah. And of course you are a kayaking. And do you love fishes?
I love fishes, but I don't eat them.
You don't eat fishes?
I eat veg only.
Veg only?
Yeah, vegetarian.
Yeah, like Mahatma Gandhi.
I don't know. But I know that I miss many tasty dishes here, no? Because Malabar fish
yeah.
curry is very famous, no?
Very famous and very spicy. And do you like spicy?
Oh yes, oh yes.
And
So tell your kids your students to come to learn kayaking, no?
of course.
It's a wonderful discipline and a wonderful sport.
Yeah,
and
of
it
course
will
I
teach,
introduce that.
as I was telling you before, the river teaches you a lot of things,
Yeah,
a lot
yes.
of lessons.
Yeah.
But of course, we enjoy the river, but we always have to be careful in the river because it's also a dangerous environment, and that is our first learning. How to have fun safely in the river. No, so safety is also an important
That's a very
aspect.
important.
Yes.
Right. Which age students can learn to start? You know that there's any particular age for starting in the beginning they can start, or
I think. I mean,
If they can swim, they can start.
yeah.
they can first they can
Yeah.
they have to learn.
As long as they can swim, the
Yeah.
moment they learn swimming, if they're comfortable in the water, there is no
Yes, yes.
there is no minimum age.
Yeah. No, especially in flat water. That means here you have so many water bodies, no, like and all the backwaters. So that because there is where the water is not moving fast, it's not dangerous. But here the waters are more moving faster, no, and it's white water, no.
Yeah, white,
So for that you need more training. But I know that they start also at 10, 12 years. They start
Yeah.
in many
And
countries.
here in many places are here in Aripara, Tusharagiri and
Chalipura.
Chalipura.
Yeah.
Many places are.
Kurikayam.
Which is more comfortable for kayaking?
No, they are all good. It depends on which level you are, and if you are
No, I'm
learning.
asking about the kayakers. I mean, for you.
Yes,
for-
but
Okay, we have to wrap this up in the next couple of minutes, because we have to go for
Yeah,
registration.
of course. Tomorrow.
Yeah,
we
just
will meet.
last couple of questions.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
yeah. So now there are different sections. So upper section normally is more difficult. So for experienced kayakers, then middle section is little easier, and then lower section is the easy for learning. And the more you learn, then you will go up. Okay.
It's okay. Tomorrow I'll bring my students and we will meet and stuff.
Yes. I will be happy
Sure.
to meet them.
Yeah, and if I.
What is your name? Did you email me today?
No, I haven't.
No?
No. And
Because some school teacher also has emailed me today saying that they want to bring the kids over.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yes. I talked with the person and
Okay.
and if I get chance and I will make a program for you, especially for you in my school.
Okay.
So Omassery.
Right.
You have to come and you have to interact. It
Yes.
will be a big news or something like that.
Okay.
I will be happy to come. Next week I'm here, so if it is in the next
Yeah, of course we will meet.
Okay.
For you and it's very nice to meet you.
Great.
Okay. Because you are a
Absolutely.
sportsman.
Good to meet you.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right, take care. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Sulfikar.
Sulfikar.
You are your
Manik.
full name is Manik.
Manik Taneja.
And
Jacopo.
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 Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly, honestly.
Anytime in the next 10 seconds. Go!
You